everyone. You guys, we have a huge box to open. It's way bigger than usual. It's a silver swag box for December. Oops, I have it upside down. I don't know. I didn't say fragile contents or anything like that, but here is the logo. So Silver Swag is a lifestyle subscription. It says here on their sticker, stay connected. So it is geared towards adult and mature people to help them stay connected to life, to other people. It's really great. I love the themes. I'm so curious to see what's in it this month. It's normally like a bigger box, but not this big. So there must be some large item. It looks like I opened it, but Emmy just has a weird like tape fetish. I don't know if I should call it that, but you know, like she likes that you tape. Emmy, are you gonna come over here? So I had to cover this up with a blanket for a few days. I actually forgot about it because I covered it up so Emmy wouldn't chew on it. But I saw it today, I was like, yes, we have something to open together. So I will link Silver Swag down below if you're interested in subscribing. I can't recall the exact price. I leave everything down below. Plus you can check on the link. I think it's around $50. But let's, like $49. But let's get this open and see what we got. Emmy, come here. She's so curious. Oh, there's still a little tape remaining. You didn't get all of it, did you? So if I keep looking at my window, do you guys remember, and I know the exact date because it was Emmy's birthday and St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. Bird flew into my apartment. I rescued it. Well, the owner told me that the bird's missing again, and so I have my door open today, but right now I closed it for noise reasons, so I keep looking. I swear I thought I heard maybe a bird singing, but there's so much wildlife here in Florida. I don't know. But wouldn't that be crazy if I saved him again, or he saved himself again by flying into my place? Anyways, I kind of ripped the tissue a little bit. This is so bad. That's what she said. The December box. Happy holidays from Silver Swag. Oh my, I'm so excited. Look how beautiful green and red Christmas colors. Let's get started. I'm just gonna, let's see, are there any sheets of paper on top I should look at first? I don't know if those are where they are. It seems like there's, oh, so here they are. A very vintage Christmas is the theme. So we have two cards here. One of them talks about all the items inside. So it looks like we have 7 items. And then they always have this little sheet here. You know how we talk about staying connected? It gives you some like prompts on what to talk. Like you can, I say you can like journal about it, but it's meant like you can have conversations with other people about it. When we recall Christmas past, we usually find that the simplest things, not the great occasions, give off the greatest glow of happiness. Bob Hope. And then the questions are, what is your most cherished memory from a past holiday season? Do you have any special holiday or Christmas traditions from your childhood that you continue today? I don't know if I think last year was the first year we didn't do it, but my mom always gets us Christmas pajamas every Christmas Eve, even up until adulthood, and then we just have a lot of fun. My family's coming to Florida on Friday. What do you guys do? Do you remember a specific Christmas decoration that holds sentimental value to you? What is it and why is it special? Honestly, no. What was your favorite Christmas movie or TV special from your childhood? Leave a comment down below. That's a good one to answer. But let's get into the goodies. I want to know what this is. Is this like a storage bowl or something? Oh my god. I think it's like several in one. I could totally use something like this. Especially now I'm trying to cook more. My cooking's simple, but I could use bowls like this. So this is by Primitives by Kathy. I know this brand. I've gotten them before. So dishwasher safe bowl set. Merry Christmas. So here's the first one. How pretty! And if you're like bringing stuff, hi Emmy, come into your. So they each have lids. So if you're bringing stuff to like your parties and stuff, you have cute little bowls. So here's the next one. And there's Emmy. Oh my God, look at that face! Like, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Emmy. And then there's another one. It's a set of 3 bowls. So the biggest one and the smallest one match, and then the middle one says Merry Christmas. I like this. I love that they have lids. I need this. I've had something. Oops, I forgot to put this in. I want her to come back. Her face. This is so cute. But yeah, awesome. So I don't think we need to say anything on here. Yeah, a set of 3 nesting bamboo bowls with lids featuring vintage-inspired designs, great for treats or leftovers. Leftovers is definitely what came to my mind. Next, Old-fashioned holiday candy. Cinnamon, peppermint, orange, spearmint, winter, green, and lime. This is by Butterfields. Disappearing from candy jars since 1924. That's a cute slogan. Wow, it's been around for 100 years, based out of North Carolina. Ooh, I can bring this to the festivities. Nice. Okay, so it's these little candies. Those are very traditional vintage candies. Is that focusing? I don't want to open it because I'm totally going to bring this with me. Oh, I didn't even gift other things. Well, I think I want those though. Okay. Any other people here who get a lot of subscription box stuff that like use some of it as gifts? And we have this little decor thing. I could use this more decor. I have the cutest little Christmas tree, but now this is such a cute little thing here too. Okay, this is, it says B/O, BO lighted dolomite tree ornament with timer. Do I need to put a battery in it or something? I'm not sure. Let's see if I can get this open. Yeah, you need to put 2 AA's. I got that. Cool. It was such a little slot here. I was like, I hope it's not like one of those weird or like less common, I should say, batteries. Super cute. I can bring this to my parents too. But in the meantime, have it going here. So, Christmas, is this considered Christmas tree ornament? Oh yeah, you can hang it. A 6.3-inch dolomite ornament comes in either green or white and really lights up. And this is by the Gerson Companies. Fun. I'm thinking I'll just set it on my table because my tree is so little. Ooh, now we have some Christmas cookies. Wishing you a Merry Christmas. These are ginger snaps. Baked with love by O Sugar. I'm getting so excited for the holiday season now. Oh, there's more. There's another pack. Oh my god, these are same company, but brownie crisp cookies. Ooh, yum. How cute. I like how they have different little Christmas stickers in the front. How cute. This is vintage. They always like have a theme and they are always so on point. By McStevens, Santa's favorite peppermint cocoa. Ooh. So you just place 2 to 3 tablespoons in hot water. Okay, cool. You don't even need milk or anything. That sounds so nice. This is so cute, everything. But why is this so big, this box? I want to keep doing that. I think that's what she said. Oh, is there a big book of them? Oh, there is something really... Woo! Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh! Oh my god, a sequin craft kits by Docraft. Simply make craft kits. And it's a fireplace. How cute is this? This is why the box is so big. So this kit contains polystyrene foam board, colored sequins in 9 bags, colored artwork, pins, and instructions. This is so cool. This would be fun to do together, you know, and then it'll be cute decor. This makes a great gift too. How fun. Is there anything I should say about this? Let's see. Ignite your creativity with this festive fireplace craft kit, all supplies included. Nice. I'm getting so in the holiday spirit. I think we have one more item somewhere in here. Okay. I don't know if there's more than one. I think there might be. This is so cute. Laura B's shower steamer in gingerbread. Oh my god, it smells so good. Like edible. I like shower steamers because I'm a shower girly more than a bath girly, but let's see, are there more? So it comes in festive freezer gingerbread or peppermint marshmallow. Okay, maybe we all just got one. Oh my god, it smells so good. Makes me want to eat those cookies. I think that's everything now, though. Oh my god, Emmy's gonna love being in this box now. Move it over here. So that was our December box, our Christmas vintage box by Silver Swag. So again, we have here this sequin craft kit fireplace. We have our old-fashioned holiday candy, our cookies, our cocoa, our shower steamer, and then this dolomite. What is dolomite? Is that like what it's made out of? It sounds like a crystal. Oh, but I can't wait to see it all lit up with all the different, you can see all the different colors of the ornaments there. Cool. So that was everything. Oh, and the balls, of course. That seems like lots of, I think I'm the most excited about the bowls, and that's like what I forgot about. I didn't forget about it. It was just underneath everything. But I think, yeah, they always do such a great job at doing everything with the theme. This is also fun. It has me in the holiday spirits even more so. So let me know your thoughts down below, what you thought of this box. Again, I will link them if you're interested in subscribing. Speaking of subscribing, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you so much. I'm truly so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Happy holidays. Happy whatever day it is. I hope you enjoy it. Do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.